In this video, I will show you how to use Monopoly Go emojis. So let's jump straight into it. So the emojis are now currently available. So to actually see your current emojis, if you come and press onto the menu up in the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is come and press onto my showroom. Then at the very bottom you've got tokens, shields and emojis. So if you press on two emojis, you can see that currently everyone should have this default emoji. Now to actually go ahead and choose emojis, what you need to do is land onto a train station space, and you actually need to enable a shutdown. So you can also do this on a bank heist. And as you can see, when you've completed the bank heist or the shutdown, you've got the option to select an emoji and use an emoji like this. So you just want to press that button and you can choose an emoji and start. So you can go ahead and use emojis on Monopoly Go. So here, this quick tutorial did help you out today. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.